Hi everyone, it's Pacey here from the Pacey AI channel. Today, I'm stoked to dive into a tool that's changing how we manage our time. Meet Clockwise, the smart calendar assistant that's like having a productivity superhero in your schedule. This isn't just another calendar app, its AI superpower rearranges your day to maximize focus, eliminate meeting overload, and turn work-life balance into a reality. Ready to level up? Hit that like, smash subscribe, and ring the bell. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. So, what is Clockwise? It's an AI-powered calendar optimizer that syncs with Google Calendar, Outlook, and more to analyze your entire schedule. Think of it as Tetris for your week. It automatically shifts meetings, buffers time for deep work, and even builds recovery time between tasks. Instead of manually coordinating 5 Zoom calls, Clockwise steps in, prioritizes your focus blocks, and lets you say goodbye to that chaotic, "I'm overbooked" stress. 3 words, AI-driven magic. First, Clockwise's algorithm reschedules low-priority meetings to free up your high-focus hours, like making space for that critical coding session. Second, it auto-blocks buffer time between calls to prevent burnout. And third, it suggests healthier work patterns like chunking tasks or landing meetings earlier in the day. The cherry on top, team plans allow everyone to synchronize their schedules, slashing unnecessary overlap. Time to get hands-on. First, connect your calendar. Second, define your focus time when you peak. Clockwise's AI then scans your week and reshapes meetings around those blocks. Check out the dashboard for daily insights like, you saved 2 hours of focus time today. Pro tip, pair it with your project management tools to create an unstoppable workflow. That's it. Clockwise isn't just a calendar, it's a productivity engine that lets you reclaim your days. Imagine saying yes to fewer meetings, no to multitasking hell, and absolutely to hitting goals faster. If you want more tools like this, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, share with your team, and subscribe to Pacey AI for daily AI tips. Stay productive and keep leveling up. Catch you in the next vid.